nerve that you want my fiance? You can't get your own man?
Listen, you want to be real? You want to be real? Look at you.
Be real.
Look at you.
Look at me.
When you cheat on you,
serious right now.
we still together.
You let me look like you cheat on you.
Come on,
I'm sitting here being loyal to you every night, cooking for you.
We family now. We family now.
What? This is so unbelievable to me right now. This is so, we're not doing nothing together.
Candace, put the phone.
I'm not about to play with none of y'all right now. Y'all got my hands shaking, y'all got my body shaking. I love you and you want to sit here and do me like that.
We ain't did nothing. That was that on that. Look, that was that on that. Me and you, we different, but I love you.
That's the stupidest
Put the phone down, first of all.
That's the stupidest thing you ever said to me. I swear to God.
Listen, I love you, okay? What we did.
What do you love about me? Why are you even in my fiance?
We just cool now.
I'm talking to you. Why would you do that to me?
We've been messing with the same guys for a long time.
My fiance, and you were supposed to be my bridesmaid?
I can still be your bridesmaid. What do you mean?
This is unbelievable.
What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I am making a video about 9 mind tricks bad boys use and that maybe you want to steal because they're begging all them fucking bitches and you're here like being sad and sorry and no. Why are you sad?
Hey, why should we call them the B words? Hey, she be going crazy, but hey, I got another Melly Monaco video. I'm gonna do a lot of her videos. Feel me? I did one of her videos. I kind of like a female actually explaining to guys, you know, the stuff to do to, you know, get certain females, and that's for my single guys. So man, let's get into it. This series right here is for the single guys, man.
Sorry, I know you guys be thinking, well, it's the money and how we look. No, it's not all that. It's your fucking mindset. You gotta fix your mindset so you can beg any bitch you want. Any. Okay, you see the craziness is here today. So let's go. Number 1, willingness to walk away. A bunch of you guys, like the bitch is being difficult. She's like, no, I don't know. But yet you're still here. You're still.
That's a true fact, bro. I'm telling you, like, man, I reacted to a video where, it was a while. I put so many videos out, but where the guy, like, he went on a date and the woman, she simply said, she was just like, well, just know from the first part of the conversation, she was like, well, I don't think, soon as she said that, bro, literally like in 1.5 seconds, dude got up and left. It was like he already knew what she was gonna say. He said, I ain't got time for this. That's how you gotta move with these females. If you know you want something, you put your time in. As soon as you hear her say anything that, man, you know it's some BS. But all right, I'm out of there. Do not give it no time. Leave quick. You feel me? Do not waste your time, man.
Around trying to deal with her, trying to beg and trying to prove yourself to her that you're worth it. No, the bitch is difficult. You walk away. You fucking walk away. I do not care. She's bad. She's this and that. No, you walk away. And I'm telling you, that's gonna work in your advantage. The fact that you are willing to walk away, she's gonna be like, wait, he doesn't see that I deserve him to treat me like a princess. He doesn't think that I'm worthy of him spending money on me, spending his time. No, bitch, we don't see that today. Because it's like sometimes you guys lose all respect for yourself. You lose the respect for yourself. You have no pride. And I'm like, where is your fucking pride? The bitch is talking crazy, acting crazy, and you're here. Oh, it's okay. No, it's not fucking okay. So have some respect for yourself. Who the fuck she thinks she is? And then what blows my mind is that often that's not even your bitch. That's not your girlfriend or nothing. That's somebody you just met. Why are you so thirsty for a bitch that you don't even know? And she's showing you that she's different.
That's 100% fact, bro. She giving y'all game, bro. I'm telling you. And she a female like that. That's the crazy thing. Cause some of y'all be sitting up here begging, stop begging, bro. Like soon.
But you want to deal with a difficult bitch? I don't understand. That might be your thing. It excites you. I don't fucking know. But fucking walk away and watch how the bitch is gonna chase. You gotta be willing to let it go and say no and walk away. Number 2. Another mind trick that bad boy use all the time, and I think you should steal, is not giving a fuck. Like, you guys be caring too much.
Hey, that's a good one too, bro. It's funny, all the stuff she's saying, I just been on, like, naturally do it. I know, like, bro. That's crazy, bro. Y'all, bro, she gonna get y'all some women, I'm telling you. Y'all listen to that. She gonna put y'all in the game.
When you have the right girl, but I'm talking about a girl you just met. Again, she's difficult, and You're like, no, I care. I care. Bad boys are known for not caring or acting like they don't care, you know. If a bitch doesn't like you, you just like, it's all right. And I'm not saying you gotta be an asshole or anything or act like an asshole all the time and then, well, people don't like me. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying be your fucking self. And when you're yourself, if the bitch don't like you, why do you care? I'm myself. You don't like it? Oh well. Always try to think about what is the importance or the impact of people that you don't fucking know. What's their impact on your life? Apparently, you guys are giving them a lot of importance, which is the bad side, because those people don't do nothing for you. That's not your mom, that's not your dad. Even mom and dad might not be doing shit for you anyways. But why you're allowing people to like make you feel bad and make you feel like, oh my God, like you shouldn't care. Those people have no importance or impact on your life. Stop worrying about the little things. If the bitch doesn't like you, who gives a fuck? And I know I'm talking all that mess, but I used to be victim of this. I want to not give a fuck, but I do. And then it's like, I'm sitting at home and I'm like, wait, why he doesn't like me no more? Why he doesn't call me? And thinking, you know, you're going to put in your head that you did something. You're going to replay situations, replay conversation and be like, yo, I don't understand why she don't like me like that. You probably didn't do shit. The bitch just don't like you and nobody cares. Nobody cares. You shouldn't care. She doesn't care. She's not thinking about you right now. So you shouldn't give a fuck either. I would sit at home like borderline depressed. Why you don't like me? Like who gives a fuck why somebody doesn't like you? Number 3, be selfish. Bad boys are known for being selfish. I know when you were raised, hopefully you had nice parents and they told you, no, you gotta share, you know, you gotta do this, you gotta care for people and this and that. No, you gotta, I mean, I'm not saying no all the way, but you gotta be selfish for yourself. As a bad boy, you know that nothing is gonna get accomplished unless you fucking do it. So there's nobody, nothing that can come in your way to make you feel like, oh, no, I can't, I gotta prioritize them. No, you gotta prioritize yourself. I know this society be telling you, you gotta be nice, you gotta be this. Okay, I'll take it back. I'm not saying you can't be nice. I'm just saying put yourself first because nobody else is gonna put you first. Even your bitch that she's a ride or die or whatever, she is still putting her...
That's powerful. Put yourself first, bro. I'm telling you, she ain't lying. Put yourself first, man.
Yourself first and then you second. So don't put her first either because you gotta realize when you want something, nobody else is gonna fucking do it for you. And since nobody else is gonna do it for you, you gotta do it for yourself. So you gotta be selfish. Bad boys are very selfish with how they do things and also with their time. Yes, if you got a bitch, do not let her take up all your time. You still have goals and ambitions and shit to make happen. You cannot allow her to just be under you all day long. And watch, a bitch that's under you all day long, she's gonna start feeling too comfortable, feeling like she's on top of the world, and then she's gonna raise hell. No, she gotta know, like, yo, when I give you my time, it's important, I'm giving you this. Don't give a bitch all your time. No. Because then what are you doing when she's around 24/7? Unless you guys are working together and making money together, that's different. But if you guys have separate careers, handle your fucking business, then you handle your bitch. You gotta decide what's best for you at all times. Do not allow people to dictate what you're gonna do. And I am telling you, girls are attracted to that shit. The minute the bitch starts telling you, you don't give me enough time, you know you're doing something fucking good. You do. Because she needs more, because a bitch is not gonna complain about time if she's under you 24/7. Number 4, act like you've been there before. So it's kind of like the mentality of fake it until you make it. I'm not all the way agreeing with that mentality as far as like popping bottles, spending money that you don't have. That's not it. I'm talking about when you see a bitch and she's a bad bitch, you know, like looking good, crazy body. When she comes in, everybody looking, yo, who is this? Don't be that guy, first of all. Don't be the guy of who is this, and then she sees you. But act like you've been there before. You have bitches like her and better than her, better looking than her all the time. She's not rare. She's just regular to you. And I'm not saying like you gotta treat her regular, really, but do not put her on a pedestal. Still be nice, still do what you do, but don't be like, oh my God, I've never seen somebody so beautiful. You're the most, like, no. Because what? First of all, she probably hears that all the time. And as soon as you're gonna say that, you're gonna put her on a pedestal and now you're the fucking peasant. Yeah, do this for me, do that, hold my bag, buy me this, you know, because she thinks she's better than you. At this point, she feels like, okay, she's doing you a favor by allowing you to be around. No, you gotta treat her like you're used to begging bitches that are better than her. Yes, you gotta not let her know like you're not exactly telling her, yo, I'm used to better bitch than you. No, you don't say that, but more in like how you act. The bad boys are always confident. They're always confident even if they feel uncomfortable. Like if the situation is not comfortable, they still manage to look confident.
See, bro, that's what it is. It's all about you knowing your worth, knowing who you are and showing that. You feel what I'm saying? And not being unapologetic about it.
Girls do not want to date down unless they're trying to take advantage. A girl gotta feel like you're at least at her level or higher than her. The minute she thinks like you're lower, you're done. You're done because she's gonna treat you like a fucking peasant. Yes, you're lower. So you're a peasant. You have to be. So don't ever act like a girl is out of your league. When you talk to her like put in your head that she's a regular woman. Yes, she's beautiful. Yes, she has this and that. But also, think about what else you got to offer.
Always remember this, man. No girl is out of your league, man. No girl is out of your league. You feel me? No girl.
Felicia has something else to offer. But put in your mind, like, you know you're the fucking shit. You know you get your shit together. You know, hella bitches want you. And you know, like, yo, yeah, I'm that dude. I'm that guy. I'm him. One of my friends always tells me, I'm him. Okay, you're him. So when you see her and you want to go talk to her, don't lose your word. Don't act shy. Don't feel embarrassed and nervous. Like, none of that. The bitch is regular. Put in your mind, she's fucking regular. All she got is beauty right now. So try to find out a little more before you act like, I don't get it. Yeah, it's just beauty. Number 5, another mind trick that bad boys use is, you can't hurt me. Like, I'm strong, I'm confident, and nothing hurts. Not saying that nothing is gonna hurt. You know that you are going to dominate any situation. That's all of this shit is fucking mindset.
You gotta be bulletproof, and you gotta let her know that. That gotta be your persona. Like, nothing you can say hurt me. Nothing you can say move me in any type of way. I'm gonna do me regardless. And they gotta know that. You hear me?
Once this is stuck in your head, you can do whatever. Nobody is gonna fucking tell you no. I mean, they might still say no, but it's not gonna affect you like that. You're gonna be like, all right, I'm gonna find another way. You are fucking strong. You know you're strong. Number 6, another mind trick is, don't ask for permission, ask for forgiveness, please. You know, because often we wait for approval, we wait for our parents to say, yeah, it's okay. We wait for a significant other to be like, yeah, that's a good idea. No. We don't wait over here. You go, you do your shit because you're selfish and you're ambitious and you know, like, yo, I gotta take the risk. I'll take the risk. And if the shit don't work out, I'll just apologize. Yes, my bad. You know, not talking about I'm gonna go take a risk and cheat on my bitch. That's not what I'm talking about. But take the risk. Do what you gotta do to make yourself happy, to make yourself successful without waiting for the approval of people. Because once you do your shit and your shit works out, nobody's gonna tell you, well, you didn't wait for my approval. Nobody's gonna say that. They're just gonna see the success and be like, oh, wow, okay. You know, they're gonna shut the fuck up. So don't ask for permission, ask for forgiveness. Number 7 is understanding that a relationship is a choice. It's a choice. You don't need. You don't need no bitch. Yes, I know you wanna fuck. Buy the dolls. You know, you can fuck the doll. But, I'm playing. But, you need to know that being in a relationship is not a must. It's like something that you want and that is cool. You choose that relationship. You gotta let people know that you don't need them. And I'm not telling you again, go and tell the bitch, I don't need you, bitch. I'm not saying that, but people need to realize that, yo, I'm with you and it's because I choose to be with you. I don't need it. If you're not with me, I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna survive, you know, because we give sometimes too much power and too much importance to other people, and then they start like going crazy. They're wilding out because they're thinking like, I can do no wrong, and even if I do wrong, they're gonna stay with me because they need me. No, you don't need no bitch. You are self-sufficient, and if the bitch wanna be part of your life and enjoy the time with you, go for it. But as soon as the bitch starts feeling like you need her, that's when you lost. Yeah, so make sure you let people know that being in a relationship is a choice and not a fucking need. Number 8, another main trick that Bible used is the willingness to fail. I know nobody want to fail.
Honestly, these not tricks are bad. You don't have to be a bad boy to do these things. These are just tricks men who actually get woman. It ain't really tricks. It's just, it ain't even a trick. It's just like, this is really how you get a woman. For real. You know what I'm saying? But she got like 3 more mind tricks. So when y'all go to her channel, when y'all go watch that, because you feel me? Y'all gotta, I'm using her content. Y'all gotta go support her. So if y'all want to know the last one, y'all go to her channel. Y'all go subscribe and show her love. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, but tell me what y'all think about her in the comments, man. She really on her. Hey, she really doing her thing, man, for real. But she telling the truth, but she helping men out. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, that's why I'm gonna bring her on the channel more. You feel me? For this series, for sure. But hey, see you guys next video. Hey, be safe out there, kings. Let's get it.